Got my browns going on the lids. I got my wand curls vibing. You know, I'm just getting ready for the spring and the summer because your girl is going to be out there with her mask on, of course. Okay. Looking for a 10, looking for supreme, looking for a queen. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here and welcome back to another video. I know I haven't seen you guys in about, I feel like it's been about 2 weeks since I came on camera and did a really good video for you guys. No, but for real. So, I had to get comfortable. This video is just my everyday glam. I wanted to just come on camera and just kind of chit chat with you guys a little bit. I did take a little small break. It's really important to just take breaks whenever you need to because you do not want to get burnt out, honey. Sometimes social media is fun. I get really inspired and motivated to do content, but then sometimes I'm like, I'm just gonna delete the apps this week and I'll see y'all next week. I just took a step back just to kind of like spend time with family, get my life in order because there's always something that needs to be done, okay? Go grocery shopping, cook a little bit for myself, get my hair done, get my nails done, just do a little bit of self-care to kind of like bring yourself back to life, you know? So if you're interested in that, you can just go ahead and keep watching. So if you guys haven't seen my last video already, I am applying for the 2021 Sephora squad and the application closes next month, I believe, but there's still time to upload a testimonial for your girl. We are currently at 98 or 99 testimonials. So if you have submitted a testimonial already, I do want to go ahead and say thank you. So right now I'm just applying some of my primer, y'all. Lately I've been doing the eyes first, but we're gonna just hop into some complexion. I use the Ill Makiage primer. Really good primer, by the way. So I'm gonna be using 2 foundations, and this one is the Anastasia Luminous one, and then you guys know I love my Morphe, and this one is like a little bit darker than me, so it just works. So we're gonna just do both on the face. I don't know, has anybody ever felt like me where you just fall off the face of the earth when it comes to social media, friends, family? You kind of just want to be alone. I don't know. I kind of go through that sometimes, but I know you guys can feel me sometimes, you know. I don't know about you guys, but this foundation is looking real lovely. So shout out to Ill Makiage. This no filter poreless base smoothing primer is the truth. Like, just looking up close, it doesn't look too caked on, and I didn't put on too much, so that's really cool, right? I'm just blend this out using this e.l.f. brush, which I always rave to you guys about. I've just been trying to like think of new ideas and stuff to kind of like bring to my channel. I really like the I Am Athlete podcast videos that come on YouTube with like Brandon Marshall and his wife, and then like they let the girls take over, and it's just such a really good podcast. It's like it gave YouTube like a little spice, you know what I mean? I would love to do like a podcast with like me and friends, or just me and people who have similar interests. But I do kind of want to like talk about the things that I do usually talk about with my friends, you know what I mean? So be on the lookout for that, because I definitely want to try something where I get like a few cameras involved. So yeah, I wanted to do something like that. So I didn't tell you guys, but I am using a new concealer. It's a fave. This is the Morphe C355 concealer. And then I, of course, add my L'Oreal Infallible. So I've been like using the drugstore concealers like consistently, y'all. Like, I kind of just want to use products that are more accessible and more affordable. Not only for me, because like, listen, I pretty much buy all of my makeup, but I also want to give you guys actual makeup that you can go pick up at the store today and try out yourself. So I'm gonna brush these brows out a bit. And it's funny, I actually used a beauty supply pencil for my brows as well. And this one is dark brown. It's by Ruby Kisses, yes. And it has like everything you need in a brow pencil. It has the actual pencil, which I haven't used a regular pencil like this since forever, but I was like in a rush out of town and I needed to get something. It has a spoolie and a sharpener. So it's literally everything in one, and you can get these from the beauty supply. Again, that is in the shade dark brown. So this is like pretty much the face I have been giving these last couple of weeks. Just you know, not doing too much makeup. I do have to remember that we are wearing masks outside, even though in Texas they're tripping. But we have to wear masks outside, so I can't apply as much makeup on the bottom half of my face because it's pointless when you put your mask on and you smudge it everywhere. Don't mind that, but that's how the eyebrows, the face, and the foundation is looking. And I really, really like everybody. It's so funny.
You dirty.
I know. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that, because I seen a post that said, if you're in your 20s, live your best life. And I'm like, what about people that are 30? Like, we can't live our best life too? Like, we don't have time to play no more? Is that what's going on?
For real, yeah, you don't. They mean like go start living it. Like you got time to play no more.
I was just finishing up my regular foundation routine, which has not changed, okay? You know, we were just having a little conversation just about age and all that stuff, and Derek Jackson, which I think is so funny. And I'm not one to bring gossip to the internet because there's literally so much gossip out there. But y'all, I went to college with Derek Jackson. I don't know if you guys are familiar with him, but I went to college with him. And, all right, so now I'm just taking this Coco Naughty bronzer, and I use this to kind of get my nose together and to kind of carve out my eye shape. And then I'm using like the Fenty powder under my eye, and this one is in the shade, I believe, Chestnut Cashew, but Alright, so the foundation routine is pretty much done, and I'm loving how the skin is coming on out, y'all. So go ahead and try this Fenty Beauty powder. This one is in the shade Cashew, which again is like the color of my skin. It's not really that yellowy tone like when I use my Huda, and this is what I use underneath my eyes. But again, the Huda powder is very dry, so if you have dry skin, honey, I don't recommend the Huda Beauty, but it does look very beautiful on the skin. If you have that oily skin, you might love it. But that Fenty, it's got me looking like airbrush, and I'm feeling it. So I'm setting under the eyes. I'm gonna take my Morphe palette. This is the Morphe Second Nature 3502 palette. It has a bunch of just like the everyday tones that I love. So if you're looking for like a beginner's palette that you can just use to kind of play off on, I think this one will be great. So I'm going to take some of that orange in the center, just a couple of these reddish tones, and I love to like throw those into my crease areas. I was thinking about recording a fashion video because I just ordered some things from Pretty Little Thing, which I expect to receive later on this week or at the beginning of next week, because it's like the 26th of March is when they said that I'll get my stuff. Because if you guys don't know this about me, one of my favorite things is to get all dressed up and go to formal events. That's just something that I love to do. You know, I just like the whole idea of getting ready. It's just something that really makes me feel good about myself. I just came back home from Colorado. I went and visited my dad and my little brothers. They had a game where they played in the championships, so shout out to George Washington High School. They didn't win, but it was still nice to be able to see my brother play. He's a senior in high school, so that was pretty fun. I'm thinking I'm not gonna do too much to the eyes because I'm feeling like this is probably what I would do as an everyday look. I'm just taking some brown shadow from the palette. As you guys can see, there are so many browns, so I'm literally just taking them all, okay? And I'm gonna just pop this right on my lid. Just using these brushes right here. These are my favorites. These are by Ruby Kisses. You can get these at the beauty supply, but they're really soft blending brushes, and they're like $2. They're so good. They blend out so well. See, I'm just kind of blending her out. Okay. I'm loving it. The sun is going down, so you guys aren't getting really like the true color of what I look like right now. I'm just loving how it's coming out, y'all. It's giving me those vibes. You know those vibes when your makeup comes out really well and you're really happy. That's me right now. So one of the things that I like to do next, just to complete the eye and make it really seamless, is I'll just add a little bit of highlighter in the corners of the eyes. I'm going to take my Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder, and I'm going to take a really small brush. I'm going to use this on the inner corners, and you can kind of build it up as much as you want to, and that's why I like to use a pencil brush, because it's like super precise. I mean, a lip brush or something small to do this with. I do want to add a little bit of color to my lower lash line, so I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to add a little bit more brown. I'm actually going to use some of that orange that I used at first and kind of just dabble that on the around here, because I feel like this is what truly completes the eye looks. My friend Kashara, shout out to Kashara because she's a YouTuber as well. She put me on this liner. This is the Essence Liquid Ink Liner. It's so freaking cheap. You can get it from Target, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, wherever you can find these little babies. They are super good. And it's just, I'm usually using the NYX one, but I feel like this one is just a tad bit darker. So we're going to only add a small baby line to the I'm not even going to wing it. I'm going to just leave it there because I don't want to take attention away from the eyes. And plus, let me tell you something about me. Whenever I do a wing liner, I take it too far every single time. For the lashes, I'm going to go a little bit dramatic today. I'm going to use my Majestic Mink lashes, and these are by Poppy and Ivy. I will leave a link to them in the description box below, but I know you can definitely find these in your beauty supply store. The lashes are on, and even though you can't really see my eyes, I really do like these lashes because I'm a lashes type of girl, okay? I like big voluminous lashes and clean skin. That's just my thing over here. So I've just taken a little bit of this Fenty Beauty powder. You guys know that I love this bronzer. It's a little bit dark on me, but it works. This is in the shade Cocoa Naughty, so if you're like my shade, go up a shade. Because this one is a little bit dark. I'm using the All Nighter spray. I used to use it a while ago, but I had to bring her back. Of course, I'm only using the trial size version because I think the bigger size is about 30 bucks. So, and what I like to go do after I spray myself down is go stand in front of the fan and let my face dry all over to really make sure everything is nice and set in place, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to take a little bit of the e.l.f. mascara. I'm going to use this on my lower lashes because I don't have lower lashes, but I do like to have the illusion of having lower lashes, so that's what I'm doing. It just gives me a little something to look forward to. So I'm going to go ahead and add my lips. Now again, this is my favorite beauty supply liner, and this is it, the Luxury Lip Liner by Kiss New York. They're literally right next to the register when you go inside of your beauty supply. They're about $1.99, and this is in the shade Roasted Coffee. So I like very warm toned liners, and this is one of them. And then I'm going to take my favorite gloss of all time, you guys, and this is by I Heart Revolution. For the longest time I was saying Makeup Revolution, but it's not. This is I Heart Revolution gloss. You can pick these up from your local Ulta, but I almost want to say they ran out of them. But this one is in the shade Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough, and I love these. They're awesome gloss. You see how pigmented it is, and I was just in one little streak. Okay, hit the brow bone with this. So right now I'm just giving myself a little bit of finishing touches. You know, I like to finish it off with highlighter just a little bit because I like to see how it looks when the face is all the way glammed. And this is pretty much going to be my look for the entire summer. Like, I'm not gonna change it up, do anything extra, you know. You guys know me, I really like a glittery lid, but as I'm getting older, your girl just feels like she doesn't need all of that. So I think I'm done here. Or should I add a little bit of blush? See, that's why I can't take myself serious, y'all, because I'm just never stopping. So I'm gonna take my NARS Orgasm blush, okay? I'm gonna hit the cheeks with this just a little. Okay, that was a lot. Let me get that in. All right, and she's done. Let me take these out real quick, get my hair together, and I'll be right back to kind of chit chat with y'all and finish it up. That's pretty much how the look came out, and as you can tell by my spirit, I'm really excited about it. I hate that I lost a little bit of daylight, so the video did kind of start lighter and then it eventually got darker as the day progressed. But thank you guys for sticking around with this video. I know it was like kind of chit-chatty and all over the place, but that's literally me in real life. Thank you so much for watching and getting to the end, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Oh, let me know in the comments below what types of things you guys want to see on my channel, because again, I'm doing this for y'all. Of course it's for me, but I'm really doing this for y'all. So let me know in the comments below what type of videos you guys would like to see, and then I will check you guys out in my next one, so be on the lookout. Love y'all, appreciate you guys for watching, and I hope you have a great week. Bye.